In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your user profile in Microsoft Teams. Keeping your profile up to date is essential. Whether you're looking to change your name, update your contact details, or refresh your profile picture to better reflect your professional persona. So let's walk through the process together in a simple and straightforward manner. First, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. To do this, open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams login page. Once you're there, ensure you enter the correct email and password associated with your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the main Teams interface. Once you're in Teams, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on this icon. This serves as your hub for personal settings. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From there, you'll want to select My Microsoft Account. By choosing this option, you'll be diverted to a new page where you'll have access to more detailed account settings. With your Microsoft Account dashboard in front of you, direct your attention towards the Your Info section. This is the crucial area where you can manage your personal details. Click on Your Info, which will provide you with several editing possibilities. Now, there are a few specific edits you can make here. First and foremost, if you wish to modify your name, you should click on the Edit Name link. Once you do so, a form will appear allowing you to alter your first and last name. After making your desired changes, be sure to save them to ensure your updated information is stored correctly. Next, if you want to delve deeper into your profile, look for the option labelled Edit Profile Info. This area lets you tweak further details such as your birth date, gender, or other personal information, depending on what you've chosen to include in your profile. Again, remember to save any changes you make to avoid losing them. Last but not least, there's the Edit Account Info section. This is where you can make changes related to your account's contact information, such as your email address and phone number. Keeping this information current is vital for receiving updates and ensuring that communication remains seamless. And there you have it. By now, you've hopefully successfully updated your Microsoft Teams profile. Just remember, personalizing and maintaining your profile can not only help in properly identifying you during Teams interactions, but can also reflect your best professional image to your peers and colleagues. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more useful guides just like this one.